Did you know that the 1866 Homestead Act provided some 650,000 acres of land to free African Americans? This was good news, as the 1862 Homestead Act did not include black families. During this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of homesteading and the African American journey toward self-sufficiency following the Civil War, and how homesteading changed the lives, or not, of the black community, from gardening to farming to food preservation out of need. As part of the 1866 Homestead Act, former slaves were promised 160-acre plots of land in the United States. They found themselves with nothing. They sought economic independence and a new way of life for the first time in America. Many continue to live in the South, the Carolinas, Florida, and Georgia. Others moved to places like Kansas, Nebraska, and Oklahoma, where they formed self-governing communities. It wasn't an easy task, despite facing immense challenges, including racism, limited capital, and poor land quality. Some families were able to cultivate successful farms and thriving communities, laying the groundwork for future generations. Free people of color were required to apply for land patents, known as titles today, but they had to pay a filing fee and make improvements to the land on which they lived before they could claim ownership. Sadly for many, they lost their land if it was not improved and if they did not have the required filing fee. They didn't become homeowners despite their 5-year investment. Who were they? They were men, single women, and widows who sought a life of self-sufficiency, land ownership, and freedom from the Jim Crow South. They formed both independent homesteads and intentional all-black communities, sometimes referred to as colonies. They encountered severe discrimination and violence from white settlers and other hostile elements. Due to their newfound freedom from enslavement, many started with little or no money, no tools, no seeds, and had to struggle to acquire the necessary capital to sustain their farms. And they were often pushed to less fertile land that was difficult to farm. The Southern Homestead Act of 1866, which was meant to help formerly enslaved people, was underfunded and faced additional obstacles due to the lack of support and infrastructure. Some black homesteaders helped establish a new foundation for their families and communities, including buildings like schools, stores, churches, and more. Their efforts contributed to the growth of the black migration and the early civil rights movement. Their stories have been preserved by the National Park Service, the University of Oklahoma, the Library of Congress, the National Archives, the Great Plains Black History Museum in Omaha, and the Black American West Museum in Denver. Here you can find more information about black homesteaders. By the early 1900s, researchers estimated that over 26,000 black individuals had homestead land, with some successfully obtaining patents for around 650,000 acres. The 1866 Civil Rights Act and the 14th Amendment guaranteed that African Americans were eligible as well. Thank you for watching our channel. Please watch the next video, as there is more content like this. Just tap the black and white icon to subscribe.